Welcome to this tutorial on how to sign in or log in on the Workday app in 2025. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to ensure a seamless experience. First, make sure you have downloaded and installed the Workday app on your device. If you have not done so, please visit your App Store and search for Workday to download and install it. To sign in, launch the Workday app and click on the Sign In button. You will be prompted to enter your company login credentials, which typically include your username and password. Enter your username and password in the required fields, making sure to type them correctly and avoid any typos. If your company uses single sign-on, you may be redirected to your company's login page to authenticate. Follow the prompts to enter your credentials and complete the authentication process. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into the Workday app and taken to the home page. If you encounter any issues during the sign-in process, such as a forgotten password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Follow the prompts to enter your username and verify your identity, and then create a new password. To ensure the security of your account, it is essential to use a strong and unique password, and to keep your login credentials confidential. It is also a good practice to log out of the Workday app when you are finished using it, especially if you are using a shared device. In conclusion, signing in to the Workday app is a straightforward process that requires your company login credentials. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you should be able to log in to the Workday app quickly and easily. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting tips provided or contact your company's IT support team for assistance.